YouTube star Louise Pentland has made it no secret that she's an avid supporter of the royal family, and she has now praised Kate Middleton for the way she's bringing up her 3 children. Louise, who today returns with her latest book, Time After Time, has previously worked alongside Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, and now hopes to set her sights on working with Kate. As part of their roles within the House of Windsor, Kate and Camilla lend their support to multiple charities and have been known to get very hands-on with them in the past. Read more. Camilla shouldn't be punished for life for falling in love with Charles, says Louise Pentland, speaking exclusively to the Daily Star. Louise, 37, said this sets them apart from most people. Blogger Louise Pentland's treasure hunt checklist gets kids walking with no moaning celeb gogglebox's Woody Cook freaked out when ghost of Grandad contacted him. The mum of 2 said, "I feel like the royal family supports so many amazing charities and I really feel like they mean it. I don't look at them as figureheads." Having spent some time with Camilla, she was really passionate about the charity book start, and also, when I look at Kate and all the work she does. It's amazing. I also watch how she is with her children when you see rare bits of footage, and I feel like she brings that to her own family as well. I really love that you can see they're a caring, loving family, and I love how that radiates out to the nation. The best-selling author added, "I think they're a real asset to us and I really appreciate the work they do. I'd love it one day if one of them collaborated with me and we could do something for the NSPCC and we could do something for maybe one of their channels. That would be amazing. Until then, I'll keep supporting them afar." Louise has bravely spoken about her experience after suffering abuse from her stepmother while growing up and is keen to raise awareness of the NSPCC and the work they do. She said, "If I could go back to little Louise and when she was in the depths of being so severely abused, neglected and abandoned, and just had one person say to her, 'You're not alone, there are people fighting for you, this will end, you'll be okay,' it would have meant everything to me doing this now." One, it's amazing for the children out there who are still living in these conditions. This isn't a problem that just sits. It's not been fixed yet. It always needs support and help and awareness. It's also incredibly healing for me, as well as I feel like I'm getting to right some wrongs and put some balance into the universe." Discussing her novel, Time After Time, the star, who boasts over 9 million followers, said, "It's different to Robin, from her Wild trilogy, because it all has different characters but it's the same cozy vibes. I don't think I could ever write a book without a cozy vibe. Our character here, Tabitha Rose, she's starting the book in a really different place to Robin. Robin started her journey quite down and depressed, and Tabby is starting absolutely fine. Then, everything comes crumbling down and something happens that nobody would expect, and she takes it from there." Louise continued, "It's a different roller coaster journey for Tabby. There is as well, time travel, which I never thought I would write about. When I talked about the idea to the publishers at the beginning, I was like, this is a bit left field and you're probably not going to go for this. So I pitched 2 different ideas and I was like, this is my first idea and my second idea is a bit weird but maybe a bit excited. Told them it, thinking they'd be like, absolutely not, go for the safe option, and they were like, that sounds great, go for that." Time After Time, published by Zafar, is out now. Read next. Meghan Markle could learn a lot from gracious Camilla, says pal Lizzie Cundy. The Vamps star Brad Simpson left horrified as fan begs him for selfie in toilet. Meghan Markle is only person other than Diana who understands angry Harry, says psychic Prince Harry. Still angry with royals because of Diana's treatment, claims psychic queen. Thinks Boris Johnson is blithering idiot after resignation. Psychic believes psychic says Princess Diana plan was for Prince William to change the monarchy.